Let's begin with some big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. And this is about NTA, National Testing Agency, that is now facing a fresh controversy. And this one is over UGC NET examination. Students, in fact, have alleged that there were spelling errors and there were syllabus issues as well, as far as several question papers are concerned. What we have learned is that several questions in the English paper were repeated from an earlier exam, with sociology and psychology candidates alleging spelling errors as well. There were poor translations and questions that appeared outside the expected syllabus. Now, these issues have once again put the spotlight on NTA and the way it conducts quality checks. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, new day, new controversy involving NTA. What is really happening? I mean, these are important exams that we are talking about.
Well, absolutely, Hina. In fact, what the students had to say was that the same paper which they attempted in 2024 reappeared and also sat for it as part of their mocks is the same paper that was almost repeated as far as the 2026 June set of the English UGC NET exams is concerned. Now, remember, this exam is taken by master's students for qualification in their PhDs, and they're pointing out, the students say that while one would feel that the repetition of previous year's questions come as a respite to students, but these students have to say that this will only in fact complicate the cutoff process and also raises questions on the type of capacity that NTA currently has as far as asking right questions is concerned. A student that we spoke to, in fact, said that there were that in an age of such technology, it is quite laughable that NTA is not able to manage, in fact, the right sort of infrastructure through which they can generate fresh questions. In fact, she also had to say that unseen passage, which by definition is supposed to be unseen, were also repeated in a way defeating the entire purpose of the examination as well. So the students once again asking for reforms, sweeping reforms, even the scrapping of the National Testing Agency as a body that is responsible for conducting these exams. As far as the sociology paper is concerned, one of the candidates had taken to social media, in fact, to raise, to flag how there were multiple spelling errors and even the names of sociologists were written incorrectly. Over to you.
Right. Kritika.